I'm Nathan Gabriel, and I'm teaching your son about creative thinking. So, a little bit about me. I have 3 children and a master's degree in theater directing. I'm a professional theater director. In addition to teaching at St. Xavier High School, I also teach directing at Xavier University, and I teach at Temple University in Philadelphia online, which is very relevant because I teach this class, Creative Thinking, at Temple University. And the class that your student is taking is very similar to the class that I teach there. Now, I'm very excited to be able to bring college-level online courses to St. Xavier High School because it's an excellent way for our students to prepare for the reality of online teaching, which is waiting for them in their own college career. Even if they're not going to be earning like fully online degrees, a majority of college students take online classes during their 4 years at a university. Sometimes they take an extra class in the summer so they can graduate early. Sometimes there's just an elective they're really interested in but won't fit in their schedule, so they take it online. And this is an excellent way for our young men to prepare for that. So what we're doing this semester, primarily we are focusing on giving your son the ability to be creative on demand. Now there's a lot that goes into that, but the core concept that you can start talking with him about at home right now is that of divergent thinking. So divergent thinking is the ability to understand that there are multiple solutions to any given problem. It's probably easiest to understand it when you compare it to its polar opposite, convergent thinking. So convergent thinking is assuming that there is only one solution to a given problem. And what I've discovered is that simply by virtue of being a student at St. X, our students tend to be great convergent thinkers because they had to take a convergent thinking test in order to get into the school, right? There was a Scantron, and on standardized tests like that, there is only one right answer. So it's either A, B, C, or D. It's never half of A, half of D, and then you write something funny in the margins that gets you extra credit. That's not how Scantrons work. So that's fine. That's great. Being a convergent thinker is a useful skill. But once you hit college, it's divergent thinking that tends to be valued more heavily. And so this is something that I really work with our students to try to build in them to help prepare them for college. If you'd like to see what we've been doing thus far in the semester, please log into Canvas and click on the Modules tab. There you will see all of the assignments and stuff that we've gone through and which you can talk to your son about. If you have any questions about the class, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can email me at this address, and I always love to hear from students and their families about what we're learning. Thank you for your time.